flashlight, show us this balloon. Let's welcome Kareena Kapoor Khan. Alright, this is going to be a historical moment right now. Kareena Kapoor Khan, did you guys know that this is Malabar Gold and Diamond ka pehla showroom outside India? It's a history being recreated today. Sharjah, you guys are so lucky.
We are relaunching not just one, but 2 showrooms here in Rola, and one showroom specifically for lightweight jewelry, the one that is right there and the one that is behind us. Both are being relaunched by Kareena Kapoor Khan. Zordar taaliyon ke saath, let's welcome the beautiful Kareena, everyone.
Alright, now here's the deal. Here's the deal. Before we officially re-inaugurate the showroom, एक बात बताओ, शारजा क्या बस इतनी एनर्जी है तुम्हारे पास? एक बार जोरदार तालियां करीना कपूर खान के लिए. Let's go.
Alright, everyone.
Let's go.
The leadership, the management of Malabar Gold and Diamond is all here. They are all here. Everyone, get ready and let's get ready to cut the ribbon. ये ribbon हमने यहाँ इसीलिए लगाया है क्योंकि हम दोनों showrooms को re-inaugurate करने वाले हैं with the ribbon cutting.
All right, everybody, get those phones ready. This is a history in the making. Kareena Kapoor Khan here in Rola, Sharjah, re-inaugurating Pehla showroom, the legendary, the OG showroom of Malabar Gold and Diamonds. Let's go. Zordar taaliyan, Sharjah Rola. Zordar taaliyan. Are we ready? May I please request the guest of honor, all right, here we go. Rola Sharjah. This is history in the making.
All right, हम एक countdown करेंगे. Everyone, stop. Join the countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We open. Re-inaugurate. Malabar Gold and Diamonds. Rola Sharjah. Let's go! We announce the new showroom open! Sharjah Rola!
Put your hands together for Malabar Gold and Diamond relaunch of 2 showrooms in Rola by the one and only, the stunner Kareena Kapoor Khan.
अब यहाँ पे करीना कपूर खान को in action कितने लोग देखना चाहते हैं? कितने लोग प्यार जताना चाहते हैं? Make some noise! There you go!
Kareena, we are so happy to see you here. But before we see you in action, in live, everyone's been waiting for you. Why don't you say a few words to everyone?
Hello, Sharjah. Oh my God. I know, मुझे पता है कि आप लोग I think 6 बजे से वेट कर रहे हैं. आपको देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. शारजा में आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. एक बहुत ही बड़ा दिन है मलाबार गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स के लिए. वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, वेरी स्पेशल डे. उनका पहला शोरूम अब रेनोवेट होके 1 नहीं बल्कि 2 हो चुका है. सो इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बिग डे. यस, आई लव माई फैंस. थैंक यू सो मच. आप लोग का प्यार ही आई थिंक इट हैज गॉट मी हियर. मैं एक्चुअली 2 हफ्ते पहले दुबई में थी. And I think obviously there was not enough, so I had to come back.
Absolutely. Just 2 weeks ago, you were there in Dubai. We were launching the newest showroom at UW Mall, and here you are once again in Sharjah. 2 showrooms हम renovate कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. One showroom is going to be mostly lightweight jewelry by Malabar Gold and Diamond, and the other one is right here as well with beautiful collection.
But we have to tell you, Kareena, you're looking absolutely gorgeous. सही बात है कि गलत बात है? You're looking classy. Can I have that mic from you? And would you like to, if we play a song for you, would you like to do something for the crowd that has been waiting for you till 6, since 6?
And
Can you have the music,
I don't
please?
think we need to ask you what song it is. It is your favorite. Let's hear it.
That was Kareena Kapoor Khan for you. Kareena ji, your association with Malabar Gold and Diamonds has been tremendous, right? ये पहला showroom था international outside of India, Malabar Gold and Diamonds का. Do you remember your first piece of jewelry from Malabar Gold and Diamonds?
I think for me, मेरे मन में तो I practically own all the jewelry of Malabar Gold and Diamonds. I want all the jewelry of Malabar Gold and Diamonds.
And we must say that whatever you wear from Malabar Gold and Diamonds looks absolutely ravishing on you. This one as well, and any piece of jewelry जो करीना कपूर खान पहनती है उन पे अच्छी लगती है या नहीं?
Yes, I think everyone is just so excited at this moment. I can't thank everybody enough क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि इतनी गर्मी है.
Absolutely.
It is, but still everybody is waiting, and their love is what just takes me.
And here's the deal, right? यहाँ पे इतने सेलिब्रिटीज आते हैं लेकिन इतना प्यार से कोई अपने फैन से बात नहीं करता. एक बार जोरदार तालियां वन मोर करीना कपूर खान के लिए. करीना जी, I want to know you a little. हमारे शारजा के क्राउड के लिए एक पॉप कल्चर क्विज में आपके साथ खेलने वाला हूँ. एक बहुत ही पर्सनल लेवल पे जो आपने कहीं किसी को मालूम नहीं होगा. ये जो क्राउड है वो सिर्फ आपके लिए आया है. ये क्वेश्चंस सिर्फ आपके लिए हैं. Are you ready to play this game? जहाँ पे is going to be a pop culture quiz. If you want to skip the question, you can totally skip the question as well.
You can totally skip it, but let me tell you, he has a few questions and I have a few questions. But सारे बहुत ही आसान है. Don't worry about it.
Now 2025 चल रहा है करीना जी. If your character Pooh had an Instagram account in 2025 right now, उनका bio क्या कहेगा? Instagram bio.
The most iconic girl in the world.
Yes! जोरदार तालियां.
और I think उस बायो के नीचे आपका जो बहुत ही फेमस डायलॉग है K3G का, वो तो लिखना ही पड़ेगा.
No, it should just say ना that तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो.
My next question. You've done a gazillion movies. Everybody knows that. But अगर आपको एक Netflix या Amazon series में recent या past, आपने already Netflix पे एक series की है, but एक और series है आपको participate करने का मौका मिले, act करने का मौका मिले, which one would you star in and why?
Oh God, I think मैंने सारे फिल्में की है, but मुझे एक हॉरर फिल्म करने का बहुत
And जिन लोगों की recording अभी on है, this is exclusive for Sharjah Malabar Gold and Diamonds. Absolutely. Now, what's the ultimate girl crush you have right now? Someone you're absolutely loving the vibe of. Anyone, not just from Bollywood. Anyone. Who's your ultimate girl crush right now?
ultimate girl
For you right now, who you're like, okay, I like the vibe of this girl. Or any crush right now. On the internet. Or anywhere else.
Well, मेरा तो forever crush एक ही है.
एक सेकेंड, हम सबको मालूम है और वो है सैफ अली खान.
लेकिन सैफ से भी ज्यादा करीना को यही बोलना पसंद है कि वो अपनी फेवरेट है. Is that true?
That is a given. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
Absolutely.
Now, let's say you're hosting a Bollywood theme party. What character would you dress up as? What character would you dress? Absolutely right.
And I kid you not, I've recently been to a Bollywood theme party and there were at least 5 people, including myself, dressed up as Pooh and different characters that you have played in movies.
You know, that Kareena Kapoor is now a legend. She's always been a legend. She's now timeless.
अच्छा, परी अब मैं इनसे 2-3 सवाल पूछूंगी. मुझे बताइए करीना जी कि टेक्सटिंग या टॉकिंग क्या पसंद है आपको ज्यादा? मैसेज पे बात करना या फोन पर?
I think आजकल सब मैसेज पे ही बात कर रहे हैं.
Who was the last
पूरी
person?
दुनिया मैसेज ही कर रही है एक दूसरे को.
Who was the last person you WhatsApped?
Who was the last person I WhatsApped? I don't know. I think it must have been my husband to find out about my children.
Aiva, that's beautiful. My next question: what's your favorite summer holiday destinations, Kareena? What is it gonna be?
What do you think? Summer चल रहा है. मैं अब शारजा में हूँ, तो obviously Sharjah.
Has to be Sharjah, the UAE. All right, one more question for you, Kareena. मुझे but one thing you might have given it to Taimur or Jay, but it is with you till today.
I think maybe it must be my mother's pair of earrings, which she's given me during my wedding, and I always keep it.
Oh wow, that's
Ladies
beautiful.
and gentlemen, this is Kareena Kapoor Khan in front of you. Sharjah Rola. एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां. Come on, let's go.
एक लास्ट सवाल करीना जी से before she leaves the stage कि यहाँ से जाने के बाद UAE के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा आपको क्या खाना पसंद है, वही जाकर आप ऑर्डर करने वाली है. Let us know.
देखो ऑडियंस, मेरे फैंस मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि मैं खाने की कितनी शौकीन हूँ. ऑलरेडी आंसरिंग shawarma.
Shawarma is going to be her dinner tonight, everyone. She loves you and we all love Kareena Kapoor. Let's show her some love.
Thank you, Sharjah. Thank you.
Before we let her go, is there anything you want to tell the crowd here? Sharjah यहाँ पे जो है आपके लिए.
Love you, Sharjah. Thank you इतने प्यार के लिए. So much love, and I just love being here and receiving all this love from my fans. Thank you, Sharjah. Thank you, Malabar Gold and Diamonds.
Before we go, let's do a quick crowd selfie with everyone. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Everyone, you gotta make some noise because Kareena Kapoor Khan is in the house. Shor machaye, shor machaye.
Sharjah, let's go. Sharjah, let's go. One more time, everybody. We want you to say Kareena, 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 Kareena. Ladies and gentlemen, Kareena Kapoor Khan, the legend.